Hello everyone. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, your English teacher, and today we are going to study 39 most important MCQs for the chapter Lost Spring. Chapter number 2 in Flamingo book. So let's begin. Question number 1 on your screen. मुकेश फैमिली वॉज रिसाइडिंग इन। मुकेश की फैमिली कहाँ रहती थी? मुंबई में, दिल्ली में, फिरोज़ाबाद में, फैज़ाबाद में। कहाँ रहती थी? फिरोज़ाबाद। द हाउसेस ऑफ सीमापुरी वेर मेड ऑफ। सीमापुरी के घर किस चीज़ के बने थे? ब्रिक्स, वुड, सीमेंट, मड। किससे बने थे? मड। थर्ड वन, वेयर इज सीमापुरी सिचुएटेड? सीमापुरी कहाँ स्थित है? मुंबई, दिल्ली, जयपुर, सूरत। इन द पेरीफेरी ऑफ दिल्ली। फोर्थ वन, साहेब्स लाइफ एट द टी स्टॉल वॉज एंजॉयबल, इंटरेस्टिंग, केयर फ्री, फुल ऑफ स्लेवरी। हाउ? हिज लाइफ वॉज फुल ऑफ स्लेवरी। Fifth one, the monthly income of Saheb at the tea stall was. What was he getting after working at the tea stall? क्या पाता था वो? ₹1000, ₹800, ₹600, ₹300. How much? He got ₹800. How is Saheb's name ironic in nature? साहेब के नेम में आयरनी क्या है? It means Lord of oneself. It means Lord of kingdom. It means Lord of universe. None of these. It means Lord of universe. Seventh one. Which thing was forcing the rag pickers to remain barefoot? Poverty, tradition, custom. None of these. Which one? It is poverty. गरीबी। गरीबी उन्हें फोर्स करती है टू रिमेन बेयर फुट, नंगे पांव रहने के लिए। एट्थ वन, गार्बेज वॉज टू देम। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ गार्बेज टू देम? व्हाट इज गार्बेज टू देम? लाइक गोल्ड, लाइक डायमंड, लाइक प्लैटिनम, नथिंग। गार्बेज इज गोल्ड फॉर देम, लाइक गोल्ड। नाइन्थ वन, व्हाई डिड द नरेटर फील एम्बेरेस्ड? For mocking the poverty of Saheb, for making a false promise, for hurting the emotions of Saheb. None of these. If you remember the story, साहेब स्कूल नहीं जाता। जब अनीस जो मुझसे पूछती हैं कि स्कूल क्यों नहीं जाते, तो कहता है मेरे आसपास कोई स्कूल नहीं है। तो ये कहती हैं कि जब मैं स्कूल बनाऊंगी तो आओगे। That was the false promise. For making a false promise. The ancestral house of Saheb was in where? Belgium, Bihar, Bangladesh, Bengal. Where did he come from? Bangladesh. How was the condition of rag pickers? Very admirable, very comical, excellent, pathetic. It's very easy. You can easily answer it. Pathetic. Which is the best period of human life? Adolescence, adulthood, childhood, old age. So which is the best age, best period? Childhood. What type of person was Mukesh? मुकेश किस तरह का व्यक्ति है? केयर फ्री, लेजी, एम्बिशियस? नन ऑफ दीज. Mukesh is full of ambition. He wants to be a motor mechanic. What is the dream of Mukesh? I just told you. To become a bangle maker, to become a painter, to become a motor mechanic, to become a driver. What does he want to be? He wants to be a motor mechanic. 15. The vicious circle was created by village people, downtrodden people, police, politicians and bureaucrats. The correct answer is politicians and bureaucrats. 16th one. Firozabad is famous for. Why is Firozabad famous? For handicrafts, for bangle industry, for pottery, all of these. Firozabad is famous for bangle making, bangle industry. 17th, the word flicker refers to, what is the meaning of flicker? Dim light, bright light, no light, shining unsteadily. Flicker means shining unsteadily. 18th one, the rag pickers have been dwelling in सीमापुरी since. ये rag pickers सीमापुरी में कब से रह रहे हैं? From 1947, from 1957, from 1961, from 1971. The rag pickers have been dwelling in सीमापुरी since 1971. 19th question. Anis Jung wants to make the children through this story wealthy, fearful, fearless, and optimistic, cautious about life. She wants the children to make fearless and optimistic. What has been killed by years of mind numbing toil? Bangle making ability, the prosperity of Firozabad, ability to dream and take initiative, joy of people. What has been killed? Ability to dream and take initiative has been killed. 21st, what is the theme of the story? Very important question. The theme of the story: garbage, bangle industry, grinding poverty, spring season. So, what is the theme? Grinding poverty. 22nd, Lost Spring is an extract from, it is taken from, it is an excerpt from Childhood Stories by Anis Jung, Struggles of Childhood, Lost Spring, Stories of Stolen Childhood. None of these. You can easily answer this question. Lost Spring, Stories of Stolen Childhood. 23. What are the boys compared to by the author? जो बॉयज़ हैं, सुबह सुबह जो बच्चे रैग पिकर्स निकलते हैं, साहिब आलम और उसके और फ्रेंड्स, उनको किससे कंपेयर किया ऑथर ने? मॉर्निंग काउज, मॉर्निंग क्रोज, मॉर्निंग बर्ड्स, all of these. She compared them to morning birds. 24. Anis Jung was born in where? Mumbai, Hyderabad, Rourkela, Delhi. She was born in Rourkela. Next question. Who will be hauled up by the police if they try to get organized? The old citizens, the owner of the factories, the group of young men, Mukesh's family. The right answer is option C. The group of young men will be hauled up by the police if they try to get organized. 26th. What did the young boy in the story pray for? The story of the man from ODP, Karnataka. What did the young boy pray for? A car, a pair of shoes, an apple, a school. That young boy prayed for a pair of shoes. 27. What is the meaning of wilderness? The word is wilderness. What is the meaning of wilderness? Crowded place, waste place, a clean place. None of these. Wilderness means a waste place, बेकार जमीन. जब ये स्क्वाटर्स आए थे बांग्लादेशी सीमापुरी में, that place was a waste place, wilderness. The houses in Simapuri are covered with, thatched with Brick and stone, concrete, tin and tarpaulin, nothing. These houses are thatched with tin and tarpaulin. 29. How many rag pickers live in Simapuri? 10,000, 1,000, 1 lakh, 100. How many rag pickers live in Simapuri? 10,000 rag pickers live in Simapuri. Question number 30. What is more important for survival than identity? Water, shelter, food, clothes. It's very easy to answer. Food is more important for survival than identity. They have ration card. 31. What was Sahib wearing that looked strange over his discolored shirt and shorts? One day he found something. What did he find? A tie, a pair of tennis shoes, chappals, coat. He found a pair of tennis shoes that he was wearing. 32. Whose house is being rebuilt? किसके घर का रेनोवेशन हो रहा है? Sahib's, Mukesh, the authors? None of these. Mukesh's house is being rebuilt, and he proudly says that his house was being rebuilt. Which one out of the given option is the meaning of Howells? Unsteady, foul smell, cottage, none of these. So what is the meaning of Howells? Synonym of Howells? It is cottage. 34. What is being cooked over a firewood stove? Rice, meat, spinach leaves, porridge. Sizzling leaves, sizzling spinach leaves. Where? Over a firewood stove. So what is correct option? Spinach leaves. 35. Who is the young woman in the family of Mukesh? मुकेश की फैमिली में वो यंग वुमन कौन है? मुकेश सिस्टर इन लॉ, मुकेश मदर, मुकेश ग्रैंड मदर, मुकेश सिस्टर. Who is that young woman? That young woman is the wife of Mukesh's brother. So, Mukesh's sister-in-law. 36. It is his karam, his destiny. Who said this? Mukesh's mother, Mukesh's father, Mukesh's brother. None of these. Who said? किसने कहा? उसकी माँ ने, उसके भाई ने, उसके पिता ने. None of these. So what is the correct option for us? None of these. Because these words were said by his grandmother. Because these were the words said by grandmother. Grandmother said this. 37. What is the young girl Sabita doing? वो सविता जो छोटी सी लड़की वो क्या कर रही है? Playing, singing, soldering pieces of glass? Nothing. Sabita is soldering pieces of glass. 38. The second last question in this video. I would like to remind you, you have to tell me in comment section how many of your answers you attempted correctly out of these 39 questions. Do tell me in comment section. Hazards of working glass bangle industry. A miserable life, poor health, loss of sight, all of these. What are the hazards of working in glass bangle industry? It is all of these. Miserable life, poor health, loss of sight. All of these. 39 and the last question in this video. If laws were to be enforced, it would bring about change and relief in the life of about how many children? 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 15,000. It will bring about change and relief in the life of about 20,000 children. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.